2018 Jeep Compass Sport. One of the daytime running light bulbs is out. It's kind of strange. I see a lot of these newer Mopar vehicles, and maybe it happens to a lot of the domestics, maybe the imports too, since they're probably all sourcing the same parts from all over the world. It's just disappointing when you have a new vehicle that's under a few years old and a headlight bulb is out, or a tail light bulb, or a running light bulb. Figure that would last a lot longer. We're going to go ahead and replace that passenger side. You're going to need a socket. Standard is 5/16, metric is 8mm, and the part number. All right, to get to the socket, I think I'm going to take out these 4 right here. See if that's going to give me enough room where I can pry this inner fender well back so I can reach that socket for that light. We'll see how it goes. All right, so it looks like after removing those 4 screws and then just gently prying the inner fender out from the lip, you are able to look in, and that's the back of the socket right there. And that's what we'll be removing so we can change this bulb.